Hi, I'm Sarah Higgins. This is an example video of how I use alcohol ink and Yupo paper to make these abstract flowers. And instead of using a straw to move the air around, I'm actually going to use our air compressor. I have the air compressor that we keep in the garage for maintenance. It has a really strong flow, so I put an adapter on it to make it more controllable. I will say whatever compressor you decide to use, it moves the inks and alcohol around the paper at different rates. So get to know your compressor and play with it so you know what it does. I'm starting out with rubbing alcohol, and then I'm putting down some of my darker colors first. So I'll start by putting down the Jaquard Santa Fe Red. I find it fascinating that every brand of alcohol inks responds differently to different drying times, different inks, different bases. So I guess that leads me to say, to me, making these pieces is very fluid and organic, and it's also very mindful and meditative. I'll give you a few tips and techniques, and then I'll turn over the music and let you sit back and watch. But I do some different techniques. Basically, just the height that you hold the airflow away from the paper, the angle that you hold will change the flow of direction of inks, obviously. And also, as you get used to your compressor, you can adjust the airflow. So you can have really soft drying and very pedal-like I'm doing right now, effects, or you can have quick, sharper bursts, which will spread it out and feather it out and spray it out and give you those kind of tendrils that may or may not appeal to you. So for me, just to bring it into why I do these is because it's a chance for me to practice letting go of control, just trusting the process and not being attached to any particular outcome. It never turns out exactly the way I thought it would. And there's some pieces that I absolutely learn a lot from, and other pieces that are just part of the practice. I've had to let go of judging, just not judging myself. And I think that's such a powerful piece of working with art as a tool for increasing your creativity and boosting your mood and energy, is because there's an opportunity to practice being very aware moment to moment what is happening and just staying in that stream of consciousness. I think it works best when you're curious and you're kind to yourself and you just, soften into it. And we all make mistakes, and sometimes it turns out extremely beautiful, or you can take pictures of it and change the appearance of it, or do something else with it, like make a video. So I'll put on some music, and if you have any questions, just drop me a comment, let me know. If you haven't already subscribed, I'd love it if we could connect. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much. It means the world to me. It's like the universe is opening up this portal for me, and I'm just kind of taking one step at a time. So these flowers are for us. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching.